Hi guys, this is my Warrior 350. Basically, I've run into a problem. I've got all the electrics plugged in and everything. Stator's plugged in. I just replaced that about a couple months ago. Replaced my starter solenoid, replaced the battery. It was running great about a week ago. And I turned it off one night, put it in the garage, came out the second day, came out the next day, went to go turn my key, and nothing happens. Like no electrics turn on, nothing. Not even the starter doesn't go, the headlights don't turn on, nothing. So yeah, if anyone knows, I've invested too much money into this bike to keep replacing stuff. So I mean, the keys turn, as you can see, everything's replaced. Most of the stuff replaced that's electrically, the solenoid and the stator, and that was just freshly replaced. And I don't understand because nothing turns on. Like, there's no power whatsoever. So if you can help me, please comment below. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.